Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Roy Chaudhary. I'm an entrepreneur and master's from France. So today, I'm going to share with you how to learn French in just 3 months. Yes, you've got right, in only 3 months. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you my own experience of learning French. So guys, please stick around for the full video because I'm going to share with you lots of tips and tricks that can help you in order to improve your learning process. So we all know that there are 4 different aspects of any language: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. But for me, I always considered speaking as the most important part of the language, because unless you can't speak fluently with native speakers, there is no need of learning French, or any language in fact. So basically, we are going to talk about the tricks that can help us to become fluent in the language. So the first thing is setting up a clear goal. Guys, this is very important when you are learning any language, or let's say French in our case. You need to have a proper daily goal. When I was learning French, I used to learn 4 hours daily, consistently. Consistency is the key, guys. It doesn't matter what you do, it doesn't matter how much work you have in a day, but you need to keep continuing putting some efforts in learning the language. You can start with just, let's say, you are doing some grammar topics, you are learning some verbs. So just keep making your notes and keep revising it every day. The second thing is you can watch movies or listen to podcasts. Guys, watching movies or listening to some podcast can be really fantastic way in order to improve the language learning. Of course, lots of people say that you need to just keep on hearing some music or keep on watching some movies with subtitles. But I would say you should learn from those movies strategically. You should start with some small documentaries, like 15-20 minutes maximum. You just learn it, and whenever you don't understand a word in a particular phrase, you just pause the video and write it separately. Because if you do that, like for 15 minutes documentary, if you end up getting like 60 to 70 words, that would be your own vocabulary list. That would be your own dictionary. So after you finish the whole documentary, you can now watch again without pausing it anytime. So you will see like you are understanding more, you are understanding much better, and now you have got more and more vocabulary that can be helpful for you for making a conversation in daily life. The next tip is reading books or articles. I know guys, reading can be a little bit boring for a lot of people, but guys, trust me, this is the most impressive ways in order to improve the language learning. You can start with just small comic books or school books that is being used by the kids, and you just start reading day by day. If you have a library nearby your place, you can go there and issue some new novels, and then you start reading. So you will see that in a lot of paragraphs, you are not understanding lots of words, you are new to such words, and you just write it down in a separate book. After reading just one chapter, you might have written, let's say, 15 words. So those 15 words will be your new vocabulary list. So that's what I'm saying, guys. This is how you can keep improving your language learning. So basically, you will see that you are creating your own vocabulary list. You are creating your own dictionary that can be personal to you. The third thing is revision. Guys, as I said, like in listening or reading something, you have written lots of vocabularies, but you have to keep revising it every day. So let's say you are going to college or work, you are in tram or train, you have nothing to do, you are listening to music. So instead of that, you can just go through those vocabularies that you have written in your notebook. It would be best pastime for you, and as well, like it is a kind of revision. Because as I said, revision is key. If you need to keep those words in your mind properly, and then you need to start implementing it when you are communicating in French with someone. The next tip is speaking with someone. Guys, we all know this is the most important part, and it is the most difficult part as well. But you need to find a partner who is also learning French with you. There are lots of ways to find a partner. The best thing I have used in my time is Hello Talk. This is a platform in which you can just look for people who are willing to learn language, let's say, that you speak. So basically, it's a language exchange app. You are going to meet with a partner who is willing to learn English, and you are willing to learn French. You guys can have language exchanges, and that's the way you can get someone with whom you can communicate in French. Because I know that you are learning French from books, you are learning French from movies, you are doing grammar stuff, but guys, the most important thing is implementation. For implementation, you need to speak with someone. Unless you don't speak, those preparation is not going to be fully worth for you. So I think you need to find a language partner with whom you can keep on speaking French continuously day by day, and you are going to see lots of improvement after like 30 days or 40 days. And the most important tip is, don't learn the language in order to just pass the language exam. You need to immerse yourself into the language. So immersing is when you are dedicating your whole life in order to learn the language. So as I said, like, you're just listening French, you are speaking to French people, and you are always learning some vocabularies in French. You can also do one more thing that I used to do in my time. You can change your whole phone settings into French language. So it will force you to think in French. It will force you to always immerse yourself into French language. Moreover, guys, I would like to also share with you one more important tip. You can also watch the whole playlist that I have already made for you, which is of A1 course. I will be keep on uploading videos on that, on a new grammar topic which would be related to A1. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked my tips. So guys, if you have some other tips, some other suggestion, you are free to comment down below, so that can help you some other people who are learning French. And guys, I hope you are going to check my playlist that I have already told you about A1 course. You can keep learning from my channel, and I will be uploading lots of videos for you. You can watch my shorts as well, in which I am speaking fully French. And guys, please stay tuned for my more and more videos. I'm going to meet with you in a new topic. So till then, au revoir.